we have to find the square root of a decimal. How we will find the square root of a decimal? Here given that 23.04, we have to find the square root of 23.04. So in first step, to find the square root of the decimal, put a bar on the internal part. Put bar on the internal part. This is the internal part. Okay, and place the bar on the decimal part. And we know that here this is the whole part and this is the decimal part. Right side of that decimal point, that called decimal part. So put the bar on the decimal part and put the bar on the internal part. Okay, so we have done this. Now in second step we have to the leftmost bar is 23 and that 23 is lie between square of 4 and square of 5. Okay, so take this number as the divisor and get the remainder. So we take here 4. We take 4 as a divisor. When we take 4 as a divisor, so 4 4 is 16. Now subtract it. So we get 7 as a remainder. We get 7 as a remainder. Now decimal point is there. So place this decimal point is here and take 0 4 from one side. Now double the divisor. So 4 2 ja 8. There is 8. Okay, 4 2 ja 8. We write there. Now enter with the blank on its right, by which we have to multiply. So get 704 are less than 704. So which number we will take there? Children, we take there 8. So 8. So here also will be 8. Okay, 8 is 64. 8 is 64 plus 6 70. So when you subtract it, we get 0. Remainder is 0. Okay, so we know that 88 multiplied by 8, that is 704. Therefore the new digits is 8 and divide and get the remainder. Remainder is 0. If remainder is 0, so what is the square root of 23.04? That is 4.8. That is here will be point. 4.8 is the square root of 23.04. This is given 51.84. We have to find the square root of 51.8. So in first step we have to put the bar in the whole parts as well as in the decimal part. So 51.84, decimal part is there 8.84 and whole part is 51. So make pair and put the bar. Now children, we have to find the number whose square is less than 51 or equal to 51. As we know that 51 lie between the square of 7 and the square of. So we choose there 7 as a divisor. So 7 and here 7 7 is 49. When we divide 51 by 7, so we get remainder as 3. 2. We get remainder as 2. Okay. 51 minus 49, that is. Now there is a decimal point, so this decimal point is 0. Okay, and 84, we take 84. We take 84. Now we have 284. In next step we have to write the double of divisor. So double of divisor 7 2 ja 14. Okay, and now we have to choose the number to the blank part of the right of 14. By which we multiplied by this and we get 284 or less than 284. If we take there is 2, so 142 multiplied by 142, because we take there 2, so we have to multiply 142 by 2. So 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8, 2 1 is 2. Now remainder is 0. So here is 2, so write there 2. What is the square root of 51.84? That is 7.2. 7.2 is the square root of 51.84. Understood?